Hi guys, so for this project we will be using chunky yarn and size 10 millimeter knitting needles, 16-inch circular. So the first thing we need to do is cast on 60 stitches. Okay guys, so after you finish casting on 60, you need to make sure that all your stitches are straight. And then you need to continue knitting in a circle. So you will knit 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, and we'll continue to do that for 6 rows. After you finish 6 rows, I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so after you finish 6 rows of 2 knit, 2 purl, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will knit all the stitches. From now on every row, and I will check back with you later. Okay guys, so when you have a total of 22 rows from the beginning, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You need to split your stitches into 3 groups. So you have a total of 60 divided in 3, that's every 20th stitch. So put your stitch marker on every 20th stitch. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then you can go ahead and count the remaining stitches just to make sure that your number of stitches is correct. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so now that you've marked every 20th stitch, you will start to decrease on the marked stitches. So to do that, you need to knit the marked stitch and the one next to it together. Knit the stitches in between. Knit the marked stitch and the one next to it together. Knit the stitches in between. Knit the marked stitch and the one next to it together. Knit the stitches in between. And now you've finished the first row of decreasing. On the second row, and on every row from now on, continue to knit the marked stitch and the stitch next to it together, like this. And knit the stitches in between. And I'll check back with you later to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 rows. Turn your hat inside out. Get a tapestry needle and put your yarn through it. Then move all your stitches from the circular needles to the tapestry needle. Pull out the tapestry needle. Secure your stitches. This is how the top of the hat will look like. Remove your stitch markers. And this is how the finished hat will look like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.